This Fairfax Realty Select property video is presented by HOMI Meyer, licensed DC/MD/VA. Open house Sunday, Sept 19th, 1 to 3 p.m. Fabulous end unit, enormous townhome with plenty of parking in garage and driveway. Entertainer's delight, with all the room you need, inside and outside, to have guests over. An expansive dining area, living area, basement recreation room and a kitchen with a breakfast bar and pass-through window give you all the room for entertaining inside, to your heart's desire. A beautifully landscaped, large, fenced yard with a deck enable your guests to mingle and party outside as well. Gleaming hardwood floors almost all through the home, stainless steel appliances in the kitchen, the luxury of a master bedroom suite with a master bath, walk-in closet and vaulted ceilings, 4 bathrooms in total, and a gigantic walkout basement with a 2-sided fireplace in the recreation room, make this an exceptional home. Shows beautifully. Sold as is. For more information, review the details below or contact HOMI Meyer, licensed DC.